Hi friends, this is Srireka and today I am going to explain about the concept of Elastic IP address in Amazon Web Services, and this video will help you to know about the concept of EIP and how you can associate EIP with your running instances. Generally, an Elastic IP address is a static IP address designed for dynamic cloud computing. An Elastic IP address is created for your Amazon account, not for any specific instance. By using this EIP, you can easily rectify the failover of server by quickly remapping the IP address to another instance in your account. Now I will explain how EIP is differ from normal IP or traditional IP. Let's assume you have this web application located at dynostore.com which is associated with a specific IP address in your DNS server. What happens if that server fails? If that server fails, your website will get down. So, to getting back your website, you need data technician to replace the server or reconfigure the server, or else if you have another standby server which is having other IP address, then you need to change the DNS settings in your DNS server to point to this new IP address. But while coming to Elastic IP, you can easily handle this disaster or failover conditions definitely. This Elastic IP is not for any specific instance. It will create for your Amazon account. So when disaster occurs, you can simply remap the association of EIP from failover instance to other running instance in your account. So by using this Elastic IP address, you no need to have data technicians to replace or reconfigure the servers, and you no need to change any DNS settings in your DNS server. Overall, EIP concept is completely designed for failover. By using EIP, you can quickly remap from failover instance to other instance in your account, so that immediately traffic is routed to new running instance in your account. So in emergencies like physical disaster or software changes, it will work great.
Now I will tell you how to create Elastic IP address and how you can associate Elastic IP address with your running instances. For that, go to your Amazon Web Services and select EC2 services. In EC2 Management Console, in the left navigation pane in EC2 dashboard, you can find instances. Just click on instances. In this page, you can find the information about your instances. If you want to know more about any instances, just select any one instance, and below you can find more details about that instance, which is having the information about public DNS, public IP and private IP. This public IP is not permanent for any instance. By default, it will not having any permanent public IP. So to get permanent public IP, by using Elastic IP services, we can get that. So to create Elastic IP, in the navigation pane, just come down, select on Elastic IP. Here you can create new Elastic IP by clicking on allocate new address. But here it is asking, are you sure you want to allocate new IP address? Yes, we want to allocate new IP address. That's why you clicked on that. See, immediately a new Elastic IP is created, which is having IP address of 52.32.80.141. Just close this window. See, backside, the newly created Elastic IP is here, which is having the IP address of 52.32.80.141. Okay, but it is not yet associated with any running instances. That's why it is not having any information here about instance, private IP address or something. So to associate this EIP with running instance, just select your EIP, go to actions menu, just click on associate address. Here you can select your desired instance. Now I am going to select 48B, this is my instance, and I am clicking on associate. See, now this EIP is giving information about the instance which is associated with the EIP. This is the private IP address of that running instance which is associated with this EIP. Just copy this EIP Elastic IP address. Just open the new tab, paste here by following your application, web application name. I'm typing my application name. This is my application name. Just net702.dynostore.publish files. Just click. Now you will get your website. Yeah, this is my website, Sri Dynostore. And on the left corner you can find the internal IP address 172.31.35.206. This is the IP address which is the private IP address of the instance. If you want to remap this EIP with other running instance, or if you want to reassociate this EIP with other running instance, just go back to your EC2 management page, go to actions menu, again click on associate address, but this time select on the running instance in your account. Just click on this, click on associate. See, now this EIP Elastic IP address is associated with on the instance. Okay, now again just open new tab, paste your, say this is my application name. Just I am giving my application name after the Elastic IP address. See, again my website is coming, and here you can observe the internal IP address which is the private IP address of other running instance in my account. This is 172.13.29.206. Once go back to your previous tab, here you can find the internal IP address is 172.31.35.206. This is 172.31.29.206. So in this way you can use single EIP over DNS with not changing any settings or reconfiguring the address and URLs.
That's all about Elastic IP in AWS. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet with another educational video.